Horses out. We have Lucky Pine. That's the begin. Moving up in between horses. Gold Cougar, our Solemn Prayer. Then followed by Ready to Rumble, Caloocan's Pride. And Royal Biba is the early trailer. We have our Solemn Prayer and Gold Cougar fighting it out for the lead. 2 lengths away in third. Caloocan's Pride. Lucky Pine is by Drell. Ready to Rumble in Pipa. And then followed by Royal Biba. They swing into the back. Our Solemn Prayer moving up. Gold Cougar on the outside to take the lead. And in third, Caloocan's Pride. Lucky Pine drives back in fourth. Ready to Rumble in fifth. And Royal Biba. Gold Cougar by about half a length. Down on the inside is our Solemn Prayer. Caloocan's Pride still in third. And in fourth, Lucky Pine, Royal Biba, and Ready to Rumble. Our Solemn Prayer once again takes the lead. Gold Cougar is on the outside. Caloocan's Pride in third, and followed by Royal Biba. Lucky Pine, then Ready to Rumble. And it's still our Solemn Prayer by about half a length. And on the outside is Gold Cougar moving up. Royal Biba in between horses as they come down at the last 150. We have our Solemn Prayer by about 2 lengths now. And in second, Gold Cougar, Royal Biba, and nearing the finish line, we have our Solemn Prayer. Second, Royal Biba, then comes Gold Cougar, Lucky Pine, Caloocan's Pride, and Ready to Rumble.
22, yung forecast na 1.522.